afternoon to all of you. Today we are going to conduct lecture on CCA, CAD/CAM and automation. First and foremost thing that in the CAD/CAM and automation is the design technology. The recent development in the field of CAD/CAM or in the product design and development comprises of certain tools that uses information science and contribute to better and cheaper and faster design of products. They are CAD and CAD/CAM tools. You might are aware of different CAD tools that you used in your second year of engineering in subject of computer aided machine drawing, that is CAMD subject, and you might have heard in the industry also with your seniors. While discussing with your seniors or with your faculty members, they might have said you regarding the tools, that is nothing but Creo, CATIA, ProE. All these are nothing but the CAD tools. Similarly, there are CAM tools like MasterCam, ProE-CAM, NXCAM. All these tools are computer-aided manufacturing tools. So, in design technology, in order to reduce the time of bringing any product into the market from the lab, means anything what you think in the lab should have to bring at a very less time into the market to the land, and in order to bring that product to the market we need to use computer applications, and in order to design the product, in order to manufacture the product. Similarly, in order to evaluate the product design we need to use certain CAE tools. They are nothing but ANSYS or some Fusion 360-degree software of Autodesk. So all this will come onto the design technology. So first thing is nothing but computer aided design. It is nothing but it is an electronic system that uses computers for designing new parts or product or modifying existing one by replacing the traditional drafting work done by draftsman or drafting board. See, earlier what was happening, what had happened in the industry, there are room like structure having the drawing sheets of more than 30 feet, 40 feet. People used to crawl over the drawing sheets and to design something, to draw something, and they need to wear the hand gloves and socks to crawl over the drawing sheet to edit something, to draw something. But thanks to the application of computer into the field of computer aided design, now everything is done on your keyboard, mouse and on your screen, and you get perfect design. And the meantime, in a what we can say in a current time, you get what exactly problem in your system, in your design, in your idea. All this enabled by the computer aided design. So there are basically computer aided design systems are divided into two factors: human factors and system factor. Human factors are nothing but computer aided functions like analysis, visualization and synthesis. And similarly there are the system factor, that is nothing but hardware and software. All these things comes together under the database. The database are nothing but the hard disk of the computer that store data in the form of some electronic bits, and all this data is there in the database and will be utilized whenever you will require. The importance of database is that you can retrieve data whenever is required, and this can be saved in a classified fashion, so that after 1 year or 2 years, if you need any particular design of any particular product having this specification, you can get and retrieve it within a minute or within fraction of minute by using the database systems. So there are different advantages of CAD systems. That is nothing but it improves the quality, it reduces the human errors that was there in the earlier manual drafting system. It increases computer human interaction, means what you are thinking can be saved in a computer and can be visualized with the help of certain commands, and that you can compare with some other design parameters. Flexibility and economy. Yes, it is very flexible that you can use one CAD system for various applications. It reduces cost and product development, and it accurately functions, and it improves the efficiency of any production system, because if errors are reduced at the design stage, the production stage will be very efficient, and we will get only a finished and good product. Now come to next point, that is computer aided manufacturing. See, the first thing which is evolved in the field of CAD CAM and automation is nothing but computer aided design. Then later it is found that whatever you are designing, it need to be integrated with the manufacturing system. So firstly, what was there in the computer aided manufacturing is the integration of your usual machines or your conventional machines with the computers. So firstly CNC machines come into picture, then DNC machine comes, then VMC machines comes. All these are nothing but the machines which interact with your software, or what we can say the computer instructions, and your manufacturing machines. So in general, CAM can be defined as the use of computer systems to plan, manage and control the operations of manufacturing plant through either direct or indirect computer interface with the plant production resources. So what I can say you, that if you would like to manufacture anything, for example, if you would like to manufacture a tapered bar with the help of computer aided manufacturing tools, let us say Mastercam. So the design is available in your CAD module like Creo or CATIA. This can be directly imported into the CAM software. CAM software will have a setup of your machine also. It will have inbuilt inputs of your machine, so that whether it is possible to do the manufacturing operation on that machine is not, will be said by the computer aided manufacturing tools like Mastercam. If it is not possible to do the machining operation in your existing machine, it will be directly alerted by the CAM tool like Mastercam. If it is possible, how much time it will require to completely machine the tapered bar, how much raw material will be required, all these things will be assessed and evaluated by CAM tools like Mastercam, and this has made ease in the operation of CAM, that is computer aided manufacturing. Now the similarly databases are there, databases which are integrated in your computer systems can have the data of NC machines, that is numerical control machines. Robotics are there, then computer aided process planning is there. This is one of the important factor. You know, robotics, that are nothing but the robots employed in the industry. For example, let us say the passenger car. A passenger car simply do have around 5,000 to 10,000 different spot welds, and in order to do that spot welding, if we apply human input or human labor, it will be a tedious operation for him, and the quality output will not be so good. So robots are employed in the industry in order to do the spot welding operation, painting operation, so the accuracy get improved, the speed get improved, and we get various very good result in the CAM system if we applied in any manufacturing plant. So what I would like to say, that computer aided process planning, see, every day there are there we need to give the output, production output, depending upon the customer's requirement, depending upon the market condition, market requirement, we need to produce the product, and accordingly process planning is required to be done. But in the dynamic market, we cannot say that the next month we will require this much product, the next month we will require this much product. So all this thing will be assisted by the computer aided process planning. In computer aided process planning, the computer take control of it. It evaluates various inputs, and it gives you a definite idea of master production schedule, what you need to follow for next week or next month or next year or next trimester. Okay. There are different advantages of CAM. It gives design freedom, it increases productivity, great operating flexibility, short lead time. Lead time is nothing but the time which is required to manufacture any product. Improved reliability, it improves the reliability. reduce maintenance, reduce scrap and rework. Here one point I would like to focus, that is it reduce the maintenance, because the CAM tools will enable you that whether the tool is going to sustain the manufacturing operation or not. This will be directly said by the CAM viewer software. There are certain simulation software, CAM simulation software. They will say you that whether the tool while doing the machining operation will crash to the workpiece or not, whether it will sustain the machining operation, it not. If your part design is in a such a way that it's not going to get machined by the existing tool, your CAM simulation software will say you that please replace the tool. If you will use the same tool, what will happen? Accident may occur. So this is not good for any manufacturing industry, any manufacturing plant or shop floor activity to do the maintenance regularly. So CAM will give you a earlier idea that this tool will not be helpful for that